Alrighty, so today I am unboxing the Apple HomePod Mini. It's about the most hipster speaker you can get right now, and it's kind of a weird product for me to unbox personally because I daily drive a Note 20 Ultra. And it's my understanding you can't use an Android phone with this device. So I'm gonna have to borrow an iPhone to test it out. Anyways, enough of the exposition, let's get into it. Alrighty, so here's a very Apple-y box. Opens very nicely. You gotta love the way Apple boxes their products. And there it is. Oh my gosh. It's Type-C, you gotta be kidding. Oh my goodness, I bet there's not a power brick. Is there no? Oh, there's a power brick. That's actually kind of cool then. I was thinking that this cord right here was Type-C, but that they decided not to include a power brick because that's something Apple does these days, but actually they do include a power brick, which is actually kind of cool. That's the first Type-C speaker I've ever seen. Well, let's get this bad boy plugged in and test out how it sounds. Alright, so I plugged it in. As you can see, there's some whirling animations going on here. Don't know what's going on. Oh, got a sound. Ooh, that's pretty deep. Well, as far as first impressions go, gosh dang, is this thing loud. I mean, comparing this to like a Google Nest, like this thing's insane. Like for $100, like I know that's not chump change, but that sound profile, that's crazy. I'm no audio expert, but that's like the loudest compact speaker I've ever heard. Anyways though, if you like this unboxing, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button because we will be putting out more videos about the speaker probably in the near future. So hit that button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.